you have a weird approach to life.
Me?
Yeah. And it's weird to the people that don't get it.
Yeah.
I don't get it, but I respect it. I think that's all that matters the most.
You're in a relationship, right?
Yeah.
How'd you get in it?
What?
How did it happen?
How we met?
How did it yeah, tell me about it. How did it start?
Do I want to tell you about it?
Yeah.
I'm not sure, okay?
I want to hear.
Oh, no.
Come on.
I'll tell you something else.
Indulge me.
Too personal.
Oh, come on. It's not. No.
I gotta keep some for myself, babe.
You know what? See, I feel like love is beautiful, and it's like, it can't be that bad.
It's not bad.
Exactly. So it's
Like
like,
the best thing I've ever had.
Okay, no. Give me like a tip of the iceberg. Come on, give me something.
We're two gorgeous people.
I could tell that. Like, I mean, yeah. Okay, good. Yeah, no,
What do you mean you could tell that?
I mean, you look great.
Oh.
So he probably has to look great too. Common sense. What's next?
What?
What's next?
He's cool. Mutual friend, yada yada yada. Sent the first DM 6 years ago.
Wait. So the friend set you guys up?
No. Well, I think the first DM was sent like 5 years ago. Or something like that. And then we had a conversation for like a week 5 years ago. Is it? No. 2021, 4 years ago. And then we had a mutual friend. And then the mutual friend coincidentally, is that the word?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. He sent me a DM as well. Yeah, you know how Explore goes and they're like, oh my God, you know this babe? I told him, yeah. But then I got closer to the other one.
Fair play.
But with the other one, we've seen each other like twice. We're like online friends. Like, we talk a lot, but we've never seen each other for like a year later.
Hold this thought. I'm coming.
I've lost it, babe.
No,
you lost your chance.